Cal again on Beautiful Dreamer. Just an update on where we got to at the moment from the last video. We said we was going to record taking the roof off and installing the wooden beams. We've taken the wood timber from the roof and left the fiberglass and boarding on, but we're still waiting for materials to do that, so we've had to get on with other stuff. So the entrance area where we come in, we've cladded the ceiling and installed a 12-volt light, and inside in the front area we've installed cladding on the walls and boarded the top area out so that can be painted. We've also installed a 240 socket with a phone charger with it and a 12-volt side, and we've done the same on the other side. I've just installed the sail flow automatic bilge pump. I've just installed a couple of spade connectors with some heat shrink over them. I started to do the seating area, and I've had to scribe timber with an arc to round it off, and how I did that was I used a sheet of ply originally. Before I did the main timbers, I just take this off here a minute. I made a template to fit the boat, and then I cut my main timbers, my main wooden timbers, as you can see. I cut 3 timbers, and then I put them on the floor, and then I used the template what I'd made to get the shape, and then I cut it and stuck it onto there. And at the bottom as well there's a mark. I used the same template, a fat timber across, and I'm following this mark with timbers that stood up. They've got to go all the way round into this section here, and then I can ply it, and I'll make 2 access panels there to access that little cupboard at the back. I built it up, and then I've cladded that out because there's only a little bit of tiny bit of storage in there, but it's really shallow, so I didn't think there was any point of that. I've got the hinges back on now, so I'm all wired in, so I can access that at any time. I've got my side timbers put on, and now I'm gonna carry on putting the side timbers on. I've also gone through the side wall and put the pipe to my bilge pump, so that can be all cladded now because I don't need to get to that anymore. So I'll show you the result in a little while. Stand back so you can see it at the front. So a bit later on you'll be able to have a better idea of how the seating come bed is going to work. Right, so started making the frame now, which will turn into a bed. I've panelled the front and met to the sides, so just got to put some more timbers in, ply it out, and then that'll be the front of the bed and seating done. That's it now. You can see what I've done. Made the 2 seating area and the front with 2 little cupboard doors and the trim on the top. Behind that's the cupboard, and then I've also made some storage, 2 storage, and then also when I want to make it into a bed, we've got just quickly do this. That's it, and then we'll put that on, and that turns into a bed. Yeah, so I'm pleased how it's gone so far. So we'll see you on the next video.